So hi guys. So this time we will be going to work on this endpoint, update endpoint, right? So in that case we need to grab our block first by their IDs and then we need to update it. So we need to do some kind of a post request as well, right? So we will be saying this is going to be a post request. So by default, if you don't specify it, it will always be the get request. So you need to say blog update request dot primary key, and you need to specify this. You need to grab the block first, right? So let's grab the block first. You need to specify by object dot get, and you need to specify the primary key, right? uh, Serializer, and you need to say block dot object sorry, so you need to pass this to a block serializer, right? So let me just pass to the block serializer and instance, and you need to say pass this block. So instance would be this block, and you need to specify the data as well, right? The data you are getting from the uh, post request, right? So we are trying to update it, right? So we need to replace the data that is coming from the request, right? So what you will do, you will say serializer. You need to validate whether the data is in the correct format or not. Serializer dot is valid. If it is valid, then save it, right? So we are just updating it. We are grabbing it and updating it. So serializer dot save, and in response you will say you will going to return response uh, response it's not response dot serializer data. That's it, right? So one thing you need to do here is you need to create one endpoint. Let me just copy this endpoint. Here and need to specify here. So let's say update, and you need to pass the primary key, and let's call it block update, and here you need to specify the update name here, right? So you are done. Let me make sure the server is running. Yeah, so the server is running, and if you try to update a particular block, let me just check it if we have. So we are grabbing the block first, and then we will passing to the block serializer. The instance would be this, and we are replacing it with this, and we are saving it. So yeah, we are correct till here and no grammatical mistake. So let me just test it. So block dot update, and we need to update our first block. Okay, so we are getting it right. So let me just copy it. So we need to update it, right? So let me just do one thing. Let me just grab one block, right? Let me just grab this block, and let me just write it here as update. You need to specify the block that ID that you want to update, and let's update this, the first block with the one block, right? So yeah, so now this will be going to same as how to install Django.windows. The first and the second block will be going to same, right? So yeah, we are updated, and we are returning back, right? So let me just go to list, and so yeah, the updation is done correctly, right? So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys.